Hello friends. Today we'll be learning about few terminologies in the electronics subject. So let us now switch on to that particular topic. Okay, let us start now. The important terminologies and important devices which have been used and which have been the basic backbone of electronics. So firstly, transistor. Transistor is a device which is mainly used as an amplifying component for the signal. So now here, regarding the transistors, there are three different types of transistors. First one is called JFET, which is nothing else but junction field effect transistor. This junction field effect transistor was designed and developed by Heinrich Welcker in 1945. Then later after that design of JFET, it has come to the PCT, which is nothing else but point contact transistor, which was designed and developed by three well-known scientists and renowned scientists, William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain. And these are the three main scientists who have designed this particular point contact transistor in 1947. Then after designing this one within a span of 1 year or less than 1 year, they have gone for the designing of another kind of transistor which is known as BJT. Here BJT means bipolar junction transistor, which is designed again by the same three scientists, William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain. And among these three, William Shockley has played a very important role in order to design this BJT. Then apart from this one, in the year 1958, integrated circuit has come into picture with the help of these transistors. They have used especially BJT in order to develop an integrated circuit which is well known as IC. I stands for integrated and C stands for circuit. So now here the important concept about IC is that this concept of IC was first developed by scientist known as Jack Kilby in 1958. And this thing you might have heard about Jack Kilby. He's a well-known scientist who has developed the JK flip-flop, and there the J and K means Jack and K stands for Kilby. So JK is Jack Kilby flip-flop. So here this particular IC, which is called as a hybrid IC, was designed by Jack Kilby by using different kinds of technologies. Different kinds of components where integrated circuit was being designed, but again they were taking a few another wiring connections from the outside. It means that it was not a monolithic one, it was a hybrid design. But in 1959, Robert Noisy has designed a monolithic IC, which means that all the components are being integrated on an integrated circuit without having any kind of external connections. Here there will be no external connection. It was a monolithic IC. First, the first monolithic IC was designed by Robert Noisy in 1959. Once this IC was been designed, in the same year, MOS transistor has come into picture. What does MOS stands here? MOS means metal oxide semiconductor transistor. And this MOS transistor was designed by two scientists, Mohammad Athala and Dhawan. They are the two important scientists who has designed this MOS transistor in 1959, and in the later year, in the next year itself, they have gone for developing an MOS integrated circuit in 1960. So this is regarding how an electronics has evolved from a transistor to integrated circuit, and this topic is very important for the PUC students or +2 students, and also for the engineering students. So I hope you all have understood regarding the basics of electronics. Thank you everyone.